first dispatches at SP were all done manually. We packed, we received, everyone worked in the same space. Then we moved to Suez, a building where we were on the 5th floor, which was more like a corporate area. After that, we moved to Padre Mariano, where we had a slightly larger internal warehouse, about 25 square meters, which was still quite small. Later on, it wasn't just Padre Mariano anymore, but we had centers where our first warehouses were in the core or outskirts. We've been here for about a year now. We've been making significant progress in the volume we handle on a daily basis. We designed this platform to be tailor-made for our warehouses and operations. Once the robots arrived here, the installation process was pretty straightforward. It mainly involved preparing the floor. After the layout was installed, the shelves were assembled. Each shelf also has its own identification code. Once the entire robotic platform was physically installed, we moved on to the training stage. We conducted practice operations where we stocked products and also retrieved them. It was also challenging, given that this is a relatively pioneering experience in Chile. There aren't many people trained to operate this type of system. So we also had to get hands-on, explore, and become experts ourselves, going beyond what we were being taught to really grasp how to operate this system. We've discovered that we can operate it even better now. We've been deepening our understanding of this system, and as a result, we've made progress in that area as well. When a customer makes a purchase on our website, it generates an order in the system. Then the robot knows where that customer's product is located, identified by a QR code on a specific shelf. What the robot does is go to the shelf position and bring the product to the GIC station. This is where each customer's order is generated. The bucket then moves to the packing area, where the QR code label is processed and the customer's invoice or receipt is generated. From there, it goes to the dispatch area, where the packaged order is prepared and the QR code selected by the customer is attached before being shipped out to customers all across Chile. Before implementing this system, we had a clear, fixed limit on the number of orders we could process in a day. With this new system, we can triple our capacity. We no longer need to search for staff in different areas. Everything is now concentrated in this GIC zone, where they're responsible for bringing us the merchandise. We don't have to go fetch the merchandise anymore, so the process is much more automated. Now, whether one customer or 10 customers buy the same product, the robot is smart enough to process the orders instantly. Our family's dream is to be at the forefront of the industry. When we started, we always looked up to the big players, and today we've almost reached their level. We've always been focused on staying ahead of the curve. Today, we offer the same delivery rates for retail, our own website, and corporate government clients. Through a single streamlined process, we managed to get all these orders delivered from our warehouse. Our main goal is to make shipments as fast as possible, reducing delivery times from 48 to 24 hours. That's our primary objective. We want to position ourselves as a leader in smart logistics and provide the best shopping experience for our customers with super fast and transparent delivery times. The future challenges are in line with fully integrated e-commerce, and we need to have a lot of capacity, strength, and significantly improved delivery times to our customers.